What's up, guys? Welcome to Watch First. If you're new here, you should go to the but you can call me Team. So I'm diving back into BTOB. I think I reacted to their Killing Voice for the first time, so now I'm just diving into some of their songs. I think these are like old songs. 3 of them like older, like 10 years back. So I'm reacting to Wow, Beep Beep, You're So Fly, and Missing You. So yeah, I'm excited to hear the songs for the first time. Like Killing Voice, I really love their performance. They like their voices, their harmony and everything. So I might be aware that I might see some other members that left the group before. In these ones, because these are like old videos, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm just gonna have fun and just listen to the music. And hopefully I'm going to enjoy it, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it with me. Yeah, so don't forget to also to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. So let's just dive right into it.
To be back again, to be changed again.
Wow, the styling.
Catch a sweat.
They look so young.
To be back again, to be changed again. To be catch a sweat. To be back again, to be changed again. To be catch a sweat. 한순간 필이 왔어. 원순간 딱 걸렸어. 어떻게 난 어떻게.
I think this is the most choreography I've ever seen from them. Like, this is the most choreo I've seen from them. Turn off my heater, it's getting way too hot. Yeah. They look so young. I almost did not recognize him. My high note king. I just don't know his name in the middle. I almost did not recognize him. Like, the camera had to pan way too close. Oh my god, they look so young. I don't think I know that one. That member. I think I've seen him. I don't think so. This is so different from what I've heard from them before, the style. Like, the way they look so young, and I can't like, even the ones that I've seen, I know. I'm finding it hard to recognize them.
난 달라. Wow.
Wow, indeed. That was so unexpected. I didn't like when I came, I did not expect that. It feels a bit hip hoppy, 2000 kind of. Like, wow, like my room was so cold and I had to turn off my heater. And now I'm getting so hot. So I'm not sure if, because when I turn it off, I get cold again. But never mind that. But wow, I did not expect that one. Like, was a curveball. Let's go to the next one. But I was told these are like upbeat songs.
Action.
So
Action. BTOB in the place to be. Action.
so hip hop this one.
어제 너와 헤어졌어. 실감이 정말 나질 않아.
Oh, maybe a bit out of
필요 없잖아. Oh girl. 너를 정말 사랑했어. 죽을 만큼 맡겨줬는데 그럼 네가 날 버렸어. 인사도 없이 흔들렸던 네맘 말아. 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파 난 잠도 안 와. 난 네가 미워. 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이
I'm sorry that I keep on commenting how young they look here. Like, I have to say, the K-pop industry has been killing with their music video even way back then. Like, Yuta, right?
시금 전폐에 불면증에 내 길이가 남기고 가서 못참 고맙다. 만드는 사이에 낮게 사실 나속 터지니까. 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도 참 뭐 같으니까. 아유 나보고 멀었더라고. 고마 방방대라 안 그래도 난 복잡하니까. 흔들렸던 네맘 알아. 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파 나 잠도 안 와. 난 네가 미워. 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가
I'm not familiar with that. I'm not familiar with the
날씨는 오늘따라 또 왜 이리도 좋은지. 내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채 우리 추억만 채워가. 나는 오늘도 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나서 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵
Hey.
띠띠빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요. 차가 막히네 반쯤 정신 나간 차로 경적만 울려대 빵빵. 내 출발은 기본 고속도로와 가운데 이리 시위라도 벌어볼까 해라 모르겠다. 들테면 쳐봐라 난 그늘 늘었다. 미쳐버리는 척이라도 해야 네가 돌아올까. 사태가 심각해 근처 환경 다리를 찾아 그래봤자 소리만 빽 지르고 말겠지 오가.
What's wrong with them? Back now. This was 10 years ago. That that quality of a video, it was 10 years ago. How long is 10 years ago? It's maybe me. I was 15. It was 10 years ago. Okay, maybe the quality would have been okay then. But still, wow. Wow. The music video was great. Like, when you grow older, 10 years ago seems like it was so far away. I would have thought that I was 5. But no, I was 15. Never mind, let's go to the next one. Like, these are so different. Like, they are like early. I want to say like almost like early 2000. Like 2020 turn-ish. I'm liking this. Like, I can't get over how young they look. Like, they don't look old even now. But I didn't expect them to look this young as well, yeah.
How you doing, girl? Yeah, how you doing, girl? There's something I gotta tell you. My eyes ain't turning. They're fixed on you. How'd you like to hang on me tonight? 설레는 밤, 두근두근 대는 맘. 내 두 눈이 널 본 딱 그 순간 상상을 해. 내 옆에 있는 널 지금 이 순간이 멈췄으면 해. Oh, this is moment. 아무 고민할 필요 없지 그냥 내 품에 걸린 갈 때는 여자 많은 클럽 아니 no no 너야 병졸처럼 졸졸 like Chanel moon. 라라 두근두근
The expressions are hilarious.
은하에 그냥 튕기지 마 빙빙 돌지 말고 just come right now. 머리 어깨 허리 다리 살며시 웃는 널 보고 뛴 쿵쾅대는 가슴이 멈출 줄을 몰라 장난 아냐.
Did they just do the nay? Oh my god. Trending dances back then.
Excuse me, 집엔 언제 갔니? 그 전까지 잠시 우리 둘이 느낌 좋은 이 밤을 함께해. 될 것 같은 별이 반짝이는 밤. Oh Venus 대체 이 여자 뭔가요? 좀 미쳤어 그냥 완전 뿅가요. 미모가 있으면 넌 당장 실검. 인형도 질투할 그 보고 비교. 라라 두근두근 하는 나 하타 두근두근 나를 봐. 역시 나의 여신님 오늘 밤 시간 어때요 10시.
Did he get scared because she had freckles?
역시 이 여자 뭔가요? 좀 미쳤어 그냥 완전 뿅가요. 미모가 있으면 넌 당장 실검. 인형도 질투할 그 보고 비교. 라라 두근두근 하는 나 하타 두근두근 나를 봐. 역시
Okay,
나의
they
여신님
changed
오늘 밤
freckles and that ugly ass makeup. There's nothing wrong with freckles, y'all. I'm just gonna assume.
머리 어깨 허리 다리 살며시 웃는 널
Or maybe kind of like so gorgeous. I have to pass out. She was so gorgeous in the dance floor. That girl got me going crazy. Ew, ew. No. The lady. It's killing me.
Oh, 좀 미친 것 같아 솔직히 넌 과하게 이뻐 넌 감동이야 거꾸로 돌려 말해도 난 동감이야 Oh baby you got me love struck like crazy 시간과 시선이 멈추는 순간 오직 그녀만의 focus Let's go get it 머리 어깨 허리 다리 살며시 웃는 얼굴 부디 두 관계는 가슴이 멈출 줄을 몰라 장난하냐 너 자꾸만 눈이 가 점점 더 맘이 가 갈수록 눈이 부셔 너무 예뻐
Oh my god!
진짜 예쁘지 않아요? 안 예뻐요? 개똥 같은 소리 하는데 뭐 개똥이라고? 아니
I'm just checking if there is a no English one.
안 예뻐요? 개똥 같은 소리 하는데 뭐 개똥이라고? 아니
Born to Beat. But yeah, the end, the subtitles didn't help me one bit. I have no idea what they were saying. So I'm not sure how to feel about the song. The video was entertaining. Like the music video was entertaining, so fun, so quirky, hilarious. I enjoyed the music video. But I'm not sure about the song per se. I don't think I liked it that much compared to the other two that I heard. Yeah, but it goes with my taste. I didn't like it that much. It was okay, but it was not for me. But the music video though, it was just fun. I'm sure they had fun making this. Like it's good, and you can actually even see like how fun they were having. It was just goofy and nice, and it was entertaining. The music video, really entertaining. So yeah, let's go to the next one. Oh, the last one. I picked 4 songs, right? Yeah, I think this is the last one. Missing You. I think this is the only one that is not like 10 years back. Oh, but it's 6 years ago. Almost. Oh, I know this one a bit.
My life is incomplete. It's missing you.
오늘도 하루 보내 다를 게 없이 하나도
But I think this is the first time I'm hearing the full like the song. I only heard it a bit. I think they did sing it a bit in Kingdom. And then the Killing Voice that did do it, like a snippet of it. But I think it's the first time I'm hearing the full song and also seeing the video, the music video.
나는 세계 혼자 있는 게 너 없이는 될 것 같은 내가 이렇게 살아 근데 좀 여전히 기운나 봐
Sorry guys, let's start again because this has lyrics. I just want to see what the song is about. Sorry, let's restart that one. 2017. 2017 was 6 years back. Oh my God, that was my first year in varsity. Yo, we're getting old. I'm getting old.
My life is incomplete. It's missing you.
오늘도 하루 보내 다를 게 없이 하나도 안 어색해 혼자 있는 게 너 없이는 될 것 같은 내가 이렇게 살아 근데 좀 여전히 기운나 봐
Yeah, 후련하게 다 털어내 지난 일에 마음 쓰는 게 It's alright 답이 잘 보이는 것 싶다가도 어느새 날 가두는 감옥이 돼 Yeah, 시간은 앞으로만 가는 걸 어째 그동안 난 아무것도 이룬 것이 없네 yeah.
아직도 내 마음속에 너 너를 그리워하다 하루가 다 지났어 너를 그리워하다 1년이 가버렸어 난 그냥 그렇게 살아 너를 그리워하다 다 괜찮을 거라 되뇌어봐도 내 하루의 끝엔 또 너로 남아 너 없이는 될 것 같던 내가 이렇게 살아 사실 좀 허전해 넌 여전히 여기 있나 봐
내 맘은 여전해 아직 너를 원해 2년이 지나도 난 아직 널 그리워해 난 아직 기억해 우리 처음 봤을 때 네 옷차림과 머리 스타일도 다 정확하게 I pray for you every night and day I hope that someday soon I can see you once again yeah.
아직도 내 마음속에 너를 그리워하다 하루가 다 지났어 너를 그리워하다 1년이 가버렸어 난 그냥 그렇게 살아 너를 그리워하다
잠에서 깨어 헝클어진 머리처럼 내 일상도 꽤나 엉망이 돼버렸어 책임져
I want to say exactly what he said, but I know I'm gonna butcher that word that he used when your hair is not like in the right states.
아무렇지 않은 척들이 원주
Surely.
표현 엉망이 돼버렸어 깨어 헝클어진
Wait, just like my in the morning. I'm not gonna even pronounce that word. But I like that line.
머리처럼 내 일상도
Like the metaphor of it all.
꽤나 엉망이 돼버렸어 책임져 아무렇지 않은 척들이 원주 표정도 내 모든 것에 스며든 내 흔적도 다 책임져 아직도 날
잊을 수 없나 봐 다시 돌아와줘
또다시 같은
너를 그리워하다 하루가 다 지났어 너를 그리워하다 1년이 가버렸어 너를 잊으려 하다 하루가 그리워하다.
Such a great song. So yeah, that is my reaction to BTOB. It's like kind of introduction, but not an introduction per se, but still. Like the first 3 songs shocked the hell out of me, especially the first one and the first. Like, nothing else I can say. But yeah, I really enjoyed this much session just listening to the songs. Like, it's so good. Like, I don't know, it's so good to be back. Like, it's been a while since I sat down and recorded a lot. Like, so I feel so good now that I'm back at it and I'm enjoying what I'm watching. Like, it's been a stressful couple of weeks. Still gonna be because I'm planning to kind of move, so I'm still gonna be busy per se. But for this weekend, like, I've been enjoying it because I've also did a watch session yesterday, but it was like mostly series. Today I'm just like, I want to do music, and I'm glad that I did choose BTOBs just to dive into them. Also, like, yeah, I think that's it for my reaction. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And you can also recommend some other songs that I can react to. I'll get to it as soon as I can, but I have a long list of what I want to watch because it's a long list. Like, it's a long list of things that I want to watch, music wise, series wise, movie wise, shows. Because now I'm thinking of doing Island for like in Hyper, and then I'm thinking of Boys Planet. But I went to look at the first episode of Boys Planet. It's like 2 hours long, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna do it. But like, it's a lot of things that I want to dive into, just the time and the means. But I shall see. Like, yeah, that's it for my action, guys. Thank you for joining. I'll see you again next time. Bye.